There are two specific respiratory diseases that the IB exam will want you to know: lung cancer and emphysema. We're going to talk about lung cancer first. Cancer, in simple terms, is when cells start to divide constantly, resulting in a mass of cells we call a tumor. There are a few things that can cause tumors in the lungs. The most common is smoking, and that accounts for about 90% of lung cancer cases. The smoke contains carcinogens, or otherwise known as cancer-causing chemicals, that damage the cells in your lung when you breathe them in. That means that even if you're around someone who smokes, you can get cancer because you breathe in those particles when you're around others who are blowing it out into the air. Scientists also believe that smoke from other sources, such as marijuana or vaping, may cause lung cancer as well. There haven't been enough long-term studies on this as of yet, but it's something to look out for as science studies this topic more in depth. You can also damage your lungs and cause lung cancer by inhaling pollution from the air or radon gas. Of course, there's always the chance that it runs in your genes. There are a few warning signs that you may have lung cancer, including coughing up blood, pain in the chest, regular coughing, a hard time breathing, and fatigue, but you may not catch these symptoms until the cancer has metastasized, or otherwise known as spread. The survival rate for lung cancer is low because it's often caught too late. For example, if you catch it early, you have a relatively high chance of surviving because it hasn't left the lung, about 60% chance, according to WebMD. But if it spreads to the lymphatic system, that drops down to 33%, and if it's moved beyond that, it's about a 6% chance of survival. The other disease we need to talk about is emphysema. This is when the alveoli become damaged, specifically the inside of the alveoli, which is the site of carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange. It lowers the amount of oxygen you can produce because there's not as much surface area due to the alveoli bursting. Over time, the lungs aren't as stretchy when you have emphysema, which can make it difficult to breathe. Emphysema is usually caused by smoking, whether that be cigarettes, cigars, or marijuana, or through air pollution or chemical inhalation. It can even develop via secondhand smoke. You may also be genetically predisposed to having it. Check out these sources for more information.